The lithium-ion battery pack is an accessory for use with certain Philips Respironics sleep therapy and non-invasive ventilation devices. It comes with a carrying case, battery pack, cable, adapters, and instructions for use. To charge the pack, you will also need the power supply that came with your therapy device. Before first use, the pack will need to be fully charged, which may take up to 3 hours. Plug one end of the power supply into an AC outlet and the other into the battery pack. It will begin to charge automatically. The LED display will light up momentarily to show the charge level. To check the charge level, press the push button on the LED display. A blinking first light indicates a 0 to 20% charge, the second 21 to 40%, the third, 41 to 60%, the fourth, 61 to 80%, and the fifth, 81 to 99%. The battery pack is fully charged and ready for first use when you press the push button and all LEDs are steadily lit. If you are charging your battery after it is completely depleted, it may take a few minutes for the LEDs to light up. During operation, your battery pack can be used in uninterruptible power mode or in standalone mode. Uninterruptible, or UPS mode, allows you to use the battery pack continuously without losing any charge and allows your device to operate during a power outage. To use the battery pack in uninterruptible mode, plug one end of the power supply into an AC outlet. Connect the other end into the battery pack and wait for the LEDs to stop blinking. In order for your therapy device to detect what power is available, it is important to connect the components in the proper sequence. Insert the strap attached to the cable through the slot in the battery pack. Connect the therapy device cable to the battery pack. Pull the strap through. Wrap the strap around the therapy device cable and secure it in place. Connect the other end of the therapy device cable into the device. Power will automatically be provided. Some therapy devices require an adapter. To check if yours does, flip the device over, and if the part number includes a 50, you need to use an adapter with the device cable. Setup for standalone mode is similar, except that the battery pack is not connected to AC power. Check to make sure that the battery pack is charged by pressing on the push button located on the LED display. As the battery discharges, fewer LEDs illuminate. 5 lights indicate a charge of 81 to 100%, 4, 61 to 80%, 3, 41 to 60%, 2, 21 to 40%, and 1, 11 to 20%. When there is one blinking light, there is only 1 to 10% charge remaining in the battery. Once the battery is charged, thread the cable strap through the slot. Connect the therapy device cable into the battery pack and secure it in place. Connect the loose end of the cable to your device, adding an adapter if needed. The battery pack will then power the sleep therapy device. To disconnect the battery pack, simply unplug the therapy cable. The battery pack can be transported in the carrying case. Use the battery pack in UPS mode to keep it fully charged and ready for travel. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.